Welcome to Total Body Session 1. Let's get started. In your space, we're going to begin in butterfly. Soles of the feet together, opening up and creating diamond shape with the legs. Props under the thighs, knees if you need to. Close the eyes and just start to melt forward. Tuning into your body, noticing your breath. Choosing a word, an intention, maybe a mantra for today. Just settling into your first edge. Breathing into sensation. Melting forward a little more and more. Just soften and settle, releasing tension with the breath. Last few breaths here. And slowly reverse your way up. Taking your time, just noticing how you feel. We're gonna go next into child's pose. Feet together, knees nice and wide. Extend the arms out in front of you and just let the chest melt down to the floor. Softening here. Gently inviting the hips back towards the heels. Letting the abdomen be soft. Allowing the chest to melt down, the arms relaxed. And breathe. Letting go. Quiet and empty the mind. And slowly reverse your way up. Coming down onto your back. We're going to go into a bridge variation. So lifting the hips, clasping the hands underneath the body, walking the shoulders underneath. And just taking a few breaths here. Breathe. Slowly releasing down. Hugging knees into the chest, little rock side to side. We'll move into happy baby. Knees bent, holding on to big toe, outside edges of the feet, backs of the calves, finding what works for you. Open the knees wide, little rock side to side. And when you're ready, settling into stillness, chin tucked. Lengthen the back of the neck, opening the knees wide, and breathe. Releasing tension and sensation here. Letting go of resistance. And slowly releasing the legs, hugging knees into the chest. I'm gonna go into wind removing, so bend up the left knee, bring it out and around the rib cage, close in towards the chest. Tuck your chin in slightly, holding on just below the knee, creating a little pinching type sensation into the left hip joint. And switching sides, left leg long, bend up the right leg, come out and around the rib cage. Tuck the chin in. And again, creating a little bit of sensation and compression into the right hip. Releasing the right leg, and both legs come in. Give yourself a nice big hug. You can rock side to side here a couple times if you like. Then just settling into stillness. Few breaths here. And gently release the feet down. We're gonna move next into waterfall. The legs are gonna come up straight, like the feet are on the ceiling. Hands can be just underneath your seat if you need. Close the eyes and breathe here. And gently release. And hug knees into the chest again. Little rock side to side if it feels good. And gently make your way to a seated position. Spine nice and long. Checking in with how you feel. Hands to heart center. You can close your eyes for a moment if you like, sealing in your practice. Opening the eyes. Hope you enjoyed for today.